this is how I trade every day in, day out, consistently. And yesterday I hit a full take profit, so today I'm going to show you everything that was behind the trade. Let's hop into the charts. So guys, this is the trade I'm talking about. I sent this trade out live to all my mentorship students, as you can see right here, live and in advance. Of course, I always update the trades, and this is my bread and butter and queue setup, and today I'm gonna show you everything that was behind it. So let's hop back into the replay mode. I'm gonna delete this position and I'm gonna delete everything that I was looking at. So first of all, we had this hard resistance right here. If you hop on the M15 chart, you can see that this is a valid order block. We have a bullish candle, and then we have an aggressive down move with 3 consecutive bearish candles, so that makes this a valid order block and a zone of resistance. And of course, you don't blindly long into this resistance. Then let's go on the M5 chart, and first of all, I am waiting for New York Open as always from 1530, as you can see right here, to 1545. Those 3 candles are my opening range, and then I mark out the top and I mark out the bottom of this range, and this is now my opening range, the range that I'm playing with. And then what I do afterwards is I look at market structure. Is market bullish or is market bearish? Very important to know. And I apply my 2 candle rules, of course, and according to my 2 candle rule, this is all one big leg to the upside. So those small legs in between are just noise, they are not valid. With the 2 candle rule, I make the market structure objective, and this is the way I look at it, the way I teach it. And from down here to up here, we have one bullish move, and until we break this low right here, market is not turning bearish. So what does that mean for me in this range? I am only looking for longs. I am not shorting against the M5 trend. I could have shorted here, but as you can see, the trade wouldn't have been a follow through and we got stopped because market was bullish. So that's why I didn't take this short after this range breakdown. And I was saying, okay, if we get above this range right here and we are holding it a little bit, then I'm taking longs, because then we are above this resistance zone, we push through it, market structure is bullish, and I get all my triggers for my trading entry. So I was just patiently waiting, and as you can see right here, at 7:20 p.m. my time, we broke above it with a clear break. That's when I said, okay, we are now above this M15 order block resistance, market is bullish still. I set my limits at the range high, stop losses at the range low. I pull out the fib tool from top to bottom of the range to determine my targets, and this is the 1.5 hour target for me. 1.2 is my break even point. At that point I set the trade break even, and at 1.5 I'm taking full profits. And then after that, what I did is just I set my limit orders, I set my alarm at the 1.2, and that's it. I don't need to look at the chart afterwards. I'm just waiting for my trade to get filled, and then it's all a game of patience, guys. I'm not over analyzing the chart in between. I have my alarm at my break even point, so if it hits that, I know that I need to set my trade break even, and if it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out anyways, guys. Everything in between here is just noise. I'm not interested. I don't over analyze my trades. After that, I just let the trade run overnight. It was pretty choppy, but overnight we hit the break even point at 2:30, and when I woke up at around 6 a.m, something like that, yeah, around this area I woke up, I set my trade break even, sent it out to the members as well that my trade is now break even, and then just let the trade ride either to break even or to the full take profit target. And as you can see, we hit the full take profit target at 8:20 a.m, and yeah, updated the members of course as well that the trade hit the take profit, and that was all there is to it, guys. This is a repeatable, simple setup. If you want to learn to build a setup like this on your own, if you also want to maybe learn this system exactly with all the rules that I teach, I am teaching it to people. Just send me a DM on X or on Instagram, guys. The links are down below. Then we'll have a little chat, see if you are the right fit for the mentorship. Then we can get you started and we can make you a full-time profitable trader, guys, by building simple systems like this one. So if you learned something, guys, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.